Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So we have a special guest with us today, all the way from Australia, correct?
Yes.
Yes. This is Jeremy Muijs, and this is one of the co-founders of Grown Alchemist, which is our newest brand that we brought into the shop. And it's just right behind us here on these 4 shelves. And so we thought, Jeremy is doing a little tour of North America right now. We thought it was a great opportunity to have someone who really knows the brand to come and introduce it to us and to you. So without further ado, Jeremy, why don't you give us a little rundown of the brand, how it started, what the inspiration behind it was? And
Sure. Well, firstly, it's great to be in MASC, and thanks for giving me this opportunity. Our brand's built primarily on a very simple premise: health equals function, and our goal is to create function in the skin cells. Once we have that function, it's about activating the function. So the way we work with function is we cleanse really carefully and provide access to the skin, and then secondly, we detox the skin, which basically is the removal of oxidants and damage in the skin. Damage from pollutants, from food that we metabolize that has preservatives in it, and also just from oxidant damage from oxygen. So we have a broad spectrum detox product that deals with that, and when combined with a really thorough cleansing program, we can restore an amazing amount of function in the skin just in a very short period of time, 14 to 30 days. And then what we do is we activate that function, which is the exciting bit where you see collagen growth and multiplication of elastin and increase in hydration.
awesome. Sounds good to me. Yeah, Patrick and I have been playing around with the products for the last week since we've had it, and so far so good. We're impressed. So we'll be doing more MASC Minutes on the individual products as we have time. But for now, that's a good intro. As you can see, there are lots of products, so check them out, shopmasc.com, and of course, if you're in Vancouver, come check them out in the shop. Thanks for visiting us, Jeremy, and thanks for the
My pleasure.
there.
My pleasure.
And that's it.